What will change in your life if you start making $900, $600, $300, $100 a day by working 2 hours? My name is Henry. I work in New York City. I met a customer who told me about Blueprint, how to promote digital product. I plug in. This is something you can do 2 hours a day, working from home, working from wherever you are, around your kids, right? Spend time with family by working 2 hours a day and make money. I plug in and I start the process. I learn how to do it step by step, right? If you want to know how to do it, let me know. Comment info. I'm going to walk you through on how to do it. Let me show you guys. Look, you have to be tech. You don't have to be a computer wizard to do this. So all you have to do is work 2 hours a day. Family, from home, from all over the world. All right? So if you want to learn how to do it, comment more info. I'm going to tell you how to do it. My website is right there. You can check it out. All right? You see, the site is working for you while you're sleeping. I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do it. All right? So if you want to be financial free, all right, have time, spend time with your family, all right, you're going to plug in. You're going to plug in and start making money. Guys, know how you feel? You're walking on the road, you're doing stuff, you have vacation, you're making money. And guess what? It's 100% profit. 100% profit. It goes into your account, straightly to your account. What goes to the company is just the website fee. That's it. So whatever product you sell goes directly to the account. It is working for you. It's built already. All you have to do is to plug in. That's it. All right. So if you are new in my page, follow me, subscribe. All right. If you want to do it, comment more info. I'm going to walk you through on how to do it step by step. Thank you.